Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. I got this drum for literally nothing because it came from a big company, box kind of store, as far as like Guitar Center kind of store. So this is a Yamaha. They got this shipped. The hoop is cracked. You know that they probably called Yamaha and said send me another one, and probably didn't send it back. So they made bucks on this. So I bought it for literally nothing. And this hoop is cracked all the way through. So what I'm going to try to do is fix this. Simply going to use wood glue. And we're going to see if that works. If not, I'll buy a $70 hoop and call it a day. So I took it apart. Just pulled it apart. Cleaned it up because there was some pieces that weren't letting it sit nice and tight in there. So I'm just going to put it up here. Boom. I'm going to fill all this channel with glue. It's a crack, so it's not going to be a super tight joint, and so I want to make sure I get plenty of glue in there. Okay. Now I'm just going to put this together. Squeeze all that glue out of there. You can see how it's not perfectly tight, but it's as tight as I can get it. I'm going to just take some tape. Just putting some tension on it when I do that. Try to get it as tight as I can. And we're going to just let it sit for about 36 hours, something like that, and go from there. There's the crack right there. It's all together, holding. Everything is great. Real quick, easy fix. Just get a little bit of wood glue, clean it up, bind it together as well as you can. Glue both pieces. Use tons of glue. Wipe off the excess. Bada boom, bada bang. If you want to paint it, you can, but I didn't because it's in the front of the drum anyway. And as you can tell, it's in my studio, and I have. It's in a place where you can't see it anyway. Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff.